precious souls, and welcome. I am Lotus. I am a certified Reiki Master Teacher. And if you can hear the rain in the background, I personally find rain to be very therapeutic. The sound of the rain, that beautiful white noise it brings, personally brings me peace and tranquility. So if you are like me, and the rain also helps bring you peace, then thank you for tuning in to this Angelic Reiki healing session, where today you may use tonight's session for sleep. There will be no harsh noises. It will be very gentle. I'm going to be using mostly my hands, and I also have a selenite wand that I will be using as well to help us cleanse our energetic body and release anything that is no longer serving us or anything that we are ready to release as you fall asleep. As long as you are open to receiving my Angelic Reiki, the Reiki will flow to you, and it will help you release all of that stress from the day. It will help you release energetic blockages, even tension in the body. Since a lot of you like my light language, which I'm so happy you do, I am going to be talking very gentle, and we're going to keep it very kind of calming, relaxing, but I will do a little bit of some light language, nothing too loud, because like I said, this session is intended for sleep. So if you are ready, together, we are going to begin by lighting a candle, and then we are going to attune us to the Reiki symbols and flow into today's session. So let's go ahead and begin. I have lemon lavender, which smells so heavenly in my opinion. We are going to light this candle, and as we light this candle together, I call upon Archangel Michael to put a protective bubble around me and you as we open up an energetic portal between us. And as this energetic portal forms and opens between us, may it allow the Angelic Reiki to flow between the both of us. And as it does, anything in your energetic body, I ask that it is no longer serving you, may it be passed through the flame so that it may be transmuted and alchemized into higher vibrational frequencies that best serve you. And so it shall be. If any of you have any kind of intention you would like to set today for the tone of this session, look into the flame now and do so. And I'm going to attune it to the Reiki symbols. absolutely beautiful burn, which is awesome because the brighter it burns, that means the stronger the energetic portal, which will allow more of us to transmute energy into higher vibrational frequencies. So as we begin this session, I would like you to please close your eyes. I would like you to place both hands, one on your stomach and one on your chest. And we are going to take 2 deep breaths, inhaling in through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth to help calm us so that we may begin to release any tension from the body and all stress from the day. From this point forward, allow my gentle voice to be the guiding light that helps guide you onto your journey into the dream world. Now let's go ahead and take a deep breath in and exhale. One more. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Relaxing your jaw. Relaxing the muscles in the body. Allowing yourself to relax into your mattress. Take another deep breath in and exhale. Helping you gently relax more and more into your bed. Take a deep breath in and exhale, releasing all tension from the body now, allowing a beautiful wave of relaxation to cover you now. As my energy is calming, I'm feeling more at peace. Allow any thoughts to turn into clouds and allow them to just float on by, having no attachments to your thoughts. Allowing any emotions that are coming up. Allow them to also become clouds and float on by. allowing you to become detached from all thoughts, feelings, helping you take a moment to breathe.
As I take a step back, and I allow myself to become closer, I allow myself to relax.
Helping your mind relax, feeling at ease.
With every exhale, I am relaxing.
Now I would like you to do a quick scan of your body as you are laying in bed. Starting at your head, your crown chakra. I would like you to scan your body for any kind of blockages, tension in the body, or just anything that's coming into your awareness as you scan your body. Scanning your crown, moving down, scanning the third eye chakra.
As I tune and listen to the rain, this allows me to subconsciously release and cleanse all that is no longer serving me now.
I have a huge energetic blockages from the crown to the third eye chakra that is already coming up. So we're going to do a gentle release. I'm going to bring out the selenite wand, and I'm going to make an infinity symbol from the crown and third eye. Helping you release. Helping you release. I want you to close your eyes. I want you to place both of your hands on top of each other. Gently place them stacked on your forehead. Or just like this, almost making a straight line from your third eye to the crown, okay? Just lay your fingers there on top of it. I want you to close your eyes. Focus on the energy moving between your fingers from your third eye and crown.
Malakumura katatina, imalakoto, usa katata malakoto, alakostuna.
Allow any images, thoughts, or feelings that are surfacing now to be processed. Rakatatura lakaparakisto rukupapaya. Imodo no rakitatia. O raketatatu. Processing. I'm just going to send you some energy.
As I process this energy, I allow myself to begin to transmute all the energy out of my system that is no longer serving me.
Some of you need a social media cleanse. You are absorbing too much information during the day, and you're not allowing yourself to release what you are receiving or what you are absorbing as well. So together, we're just going to, I want you can remove your hands from your forehead now, and together we are going to pull out and break up some of that energy right here so that we can allow flow to once more come in. So let's take one more deep breath and exhale.
I give myself permission to release all that is no longer serving me now.
Very good. You might have realized some pressure that has now been released from your forehead or from your crown. Very good. I can feel the energy beginning to flow again. Let's go ahead and take one more deep breath and exhale. Good job. Allowing this energy to flow once more.
As I release all that is no longer serving
So in night one, and I'm going to make an
I
infinity
allow
symbol
myself
again,
to get in alignment and flow with
just
all
to ensure
that is for me.
that the chakras are fully gaining momentum once more as that energetic blockage is removed. Good job, everyone. All right. Now we're going to continue to scan the body, allowing, I want you to imagine this golden white light coming in through the crown chakra, down the entire spine, and as it flows down the spine, it also scans the whole body on its way down. You might even feel a warm sensation as this golden light comes in through the crown and scans your body, helping illuminate all energetic blockages or tension in the muscles in the body.
With every exhale,
This energy now scanning your throat chakra
tension
right here.
from my body now.
Moving down to the heart chakra, scanning the entire chest. Scanning the solar plex chakra, your entire torso. Harakatatila la kurra kototurla la maltosto. Shukuparataya rakapapush. We have some blockages, it feels like, in the solar plex chakra coming up. Your masculine energy seems to be a little off balance. So let's help bring that masculine energy into balance, yes?
Get back in alignment with my masculine and feminine energy.
In order to truly bring that masculine energy, it feels like, into balance. Sounds like action is required. So as you fall asleep tonight, if there's anything, any kind of guidance, I'm going to ask the Heavenly Father to come in if you are open to receiving, to help you create a plan so that you know the direction to go, and so that you may know exactly where to move and the action required. It looks different for everybody, so always use your discernment. Now let's continue to scan the rest of your body, moving down to your sacral chakra. Now moving down to the root chakra. And now let's go ahead, as you're scanning your legs, continuing to move down the legs, the knees, going down to the Earth Star chakra. I'm seeing a little bit of a disconnect when it comes to the Earth Star chakra. So let's go ahead. So I'm going to go ahead and just send you some energy to your Earth Star chakra so that you can anchor in to the earth once more.
As I ground myself, my Earth Star chakra releases all blockages now.
Now taking the selenite wand, starting at the crown, gently moving down, allowing the selenite wand to act as that magnet that is going to help catch any kind of energy that is stagnant within the body. We're just going to allow it to flow right out of us.
With every exhale, I release all that is no longer serving. As I fall asleep, my body is naturally transmuting all of these low vibrational energies from within me into higher vibrational frequencies that best serve me.
Now that we've scanned the whole body and released some of those blockages, I want you to focus on my voice, and I want you to visualize a beautiful path forming in front of you. And as this gentle path forms in front of you, I want a beautiful butterfly to now come into your awareness. I want you to begin to follow that beautiful butterfly down the path. And as you're walking, I want you to visualize a beautiful garden. Now I want you to follow the butterfly into the garden. Feel the sunshine on your face, the gentle breeze on your cheeks. I want you to feel the peace your soul is at right now.
A wave of peace
You are safe.
washes over you now.
You are at peace and you are free.
As I am walking through my park, I am being restored and led to my full potential.
Allowing a beautiful way for relaxation to come over you now.
As I drift off to sleep, my body naturally begins to heal itself. I wake up feeling happy and energized.
Feeling peaceful, feeling calm, feeling safe. Releasing all tension from the body. Harakatotola, rakototos, parakatatina, Arakinatataya manosto, yakamaronto, huto, ilalamua rakatatosta, ishmutoto, huto, talalamara katototala, pula rakatatina, shakalanora, allowing a wave of angelic Reiki to flow down you now. Arakatotola. Imana nastaki. Una la manos tayamatora. Ano namana. Inana la loko. La lakina. Rokotosta. Bringing abundance, healing, purity, and wealth as you sleep. Parakatatula la parakutu rakataista. Illa la marakutatola. Breaking up any energetic blockages. Ketatayo, katatusto, pumparaku, harakatataya,
Becoming aware of all energetic blockages within you now.
allowing you to release any that stagnant energy now. Rakatataya, shukuparakatatisto numura.
The more my body relaxes,
Feeling the peace wash over you. Feeling tranquility wash over
a
you.
gentle, angelic wave of healing energy washes down you now.
Allowing the rain to wash away and cleanse you of all thoughts, of all people, of all stagnant energy, of all stress and all tension you might have now. Harakotatu, rakatu, raku. Imalala roku. Now I want to take a moment to allow you to soak in the rest of these beautiful light codes I have for you that will help you heal as you sleep. Harakatatia, lakumo, rakataya, ilalamaras. Himalalana, tilaltula, kamanos tu, ilhano, lokupura, katapura, katapura, shtu, talaketana, yamanoto, receiving new ideas. Illuminating new pathways, bringing in new opportunities. Allowing in more choices. Receiving this angelic Reiki to help you restore all energy within you now.
Restoring energy
Inas tatatano no kana lalaka para kiti tuna. Finishing off today's session by just making sure that your energy body is clear. Helping you realign as you are gently falling asleep, helping you naturally realign and get in flow once more with yourself and the Creator. Allowing to ascend to higher levels of consciousness now. Rakatatatum, Rukunda, Himala Rakumbara Dito, Yamanandora, Tila Rakatotusi Tatum, Tila Rakatoparakia, Stitala Rakumpura. Ikimano to Yashkinano Yanatala Lati. Helping connect and align all your chakras now. Tala rakatatuma rakatatila rakupu. To rakatataya. Barakatatia. Very good, my brothers and sisters. If you are still awake, thank you so very much for joining me for this very gentle Angelic Reiki session. As you fall asleep, you might notice you have some pretty vivid dreams tonight. This is going to help you process anything in your energy body that you are in need of releasing. This is also going to help bring in any kind of healing. You may watch this session and tune in as many times as you would like. And to all of you who are already asleep, sweet dreams, my friends. May you wake up feeling refreshed, happy, and full of bliss. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. I love you, and I am wrapping you all in my love. Namaste.